Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the correct option of the daily quiz February 1st in XENEA Wallet. First of all, click claim your daily reward. Here you see I got 84 gems. Now click on missions, then click on daily quiz, then start quiz. Here you see February 1st a question and total 4 options, in which one option is the correct option. If you select the correct option you will get 100 gems, and if you select any incorrect option you will get only 20 gems. Before this I will provide you the correct option. If you still not join XENEA Wallet, the referral link is in the video description. Now I will provide you the correct option. Option number B is the correct option. Click on it and click submit. Here you see correct, you got 100 gems. So hopefully you enjoying the video. Please like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.